TR4 Trapezoidal Metal Roof Sheet Roll Forming Machine. The panel effective cover is 1,220 millimeters. The thickness of the material ranges from 0.3 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters, and materials can be selected PPGI and GI. The roll forming. The number of roller stations is 20 groups. You must to know more rollers more better, but cost is also much, so machine is proper solution and according to client's requirement. In addition, material for rollers is high-grade 45 steel polished and coated with chrome HRC 55-60 degree. The speed range is 20 to 15 meters per minute. Cut-off device. PLC Control Box. PLC frequency control system with touch screen. The PLC brand is Omron and the length error is plus or minus 2 millimeters. Any training for operating the machine? How to install the machine? A1 machines are already installed well before shipment, no need installed at customer's factory. And we will send videos and operation instruction for how to use the machine when you starts production. If any question, we could have video call either. What is maintenance and guarantee for the machine? Daily maintenance is very simple. Add oil to chains and cutting blade before each day working, and change hydraulic pump oil every 2 to 3 years is okay. Machine guarantee is for 18 months after BL date.